What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's Alex over here in the garage, and today something's gotta go, and let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. So as you know, I have the Axum Comp X over here hanging, and it's been in my garage since the day that I made the first video. It's probably been a year. I don't know. I don't even know how long. It has not seen the trail at all, and it's literally still missing the pedals, which I'm gonna put them on right now. And the reason why this thing is living is because, I don't know if I said that on the first video, but this bike is not actually mine. It's my brother's, and I'm actually gonna go to his house today. I've been going quite many times since I recorded this video, but I never got a chance to bring it over. Just laziness or whatever. But it's here. It's gonna go back to his final home. And let's talk about this real quick. So there it is, Axum Comp X. That's the one with the dropper post. I think this is a size medium, if I remember correctly. He did not get this straight from Walmart. He bought it brand new from somebody else, and it was actually in a box when I put it up together. It's completely greased up. It's, you know, quality work right here as I put it together. Make sure that everything was where it's supposed to be, with the specs that it's supposed to be, just like I like to do things. And why I have not taken this to the trail? Few reasons. I haven't been riding quite as much yet, and when I do, I take my bikes, and I really don't think there's anything new to say about this compared to the original Axum. The frame is different. I like this frame. I like the way it goes a little more straight down. I know it has a hump, it's a love it or hate it. I actually do like that. It looks good because the original Axum was more straight up, and then the chain was like this. The other frame, piece of the frame right here, I forgot what the name of it, but everything else is exactly the same. You got the same swing fork with the preload and lockout adjustment, which I know is gonna bottom out. We all know it's gonna bottom out. The original pedals that comes with it are plastic that need to be replaced right away. Same dropper posts, the Exaform. You can see there's grease in there that I put up. I didn't take the dirt disc off. I don't even know why. I should have taken that off, but again, it's not mine. The only thing that is different is that we don't have an Axe drivetrain. It's now actual Acolyte with the clutch, which I think this is gonna perform way better than the Axe one. But other than that, everything else is the same as the original Axum. Same tires, same wheels, same everything. So if you want a more in-depth review about this, you can check out my original Axum video, or you can check some other ones of the other creators online. But at the end of the day, this is not my bike. My brother doesn't usually go to trails. I'm gonna make him. Maybe eventually. I have taken it to my local trail by my house 1 or 2 times, so hopefully we can keep on doing that. But again, this bike is gonna go to his house, and my actual Axum, the custom painted one, has been at his house for a longer period of time that I have had this one in my house. So I'm gonna bring my Axum back from his house as well. So that's gonna wrap it up for this one. Again, this is a great bike, but with the price what it is right now, I really will eventually, I would rather buy a FS Loam instead of this one, the Ozark Trail one with the full suspension. I will definitely buy one of those instead of this one, because that one has true axle, this one doesn't, and I really think it's overall a much better bike than this one. Don't get me wrong, this is a great platform, great starter bike. You can do great things with this, but right now, with the things that are available right now, I would rather get the Ozark Trail FS Loam, even more than getting an Axum full suspension. I think the FS Loam has better components or characteristics than the Axum full suspension, so I will go that route. Other than that, that's gonna wrap it up for this one, guys, and I guess I'll see you on the trails. Let's ride. Goodbye.